How to solve FaceTime and iMessage notification problem. So if you want to turn on iMessage and FaceTime Pop Up on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your settings. Once you're in your settings homepage, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with notifications option. Under notifications, you need to scroll down and then tap on FaceTime or Message app, whichever you got problem with. And here you will find allow notifications. Make sure that the option is toggled on. Choose your alert style, banners, alerts, and ensure sound is enabled. Repeat the same steps for messages as well. For that, you need to go back and then scroll down a bit and you will find the messages application. Once you find, tap on it and make sure all of the notifications like critical alerts, time-sensitive notifications, and everything are turned on. Now you can remove this setting from your background. After that, again, open up your settings, then scroll down a bit and tap on apps. Under apps, you need to scroll down again and you will find messages application. If you don't find it, just go with search, which will be on the bottom, and search for messages. Then tap on it. And if you scroll down a bit, and you will find iMessage option right here. Make sure that your iMessage is turned on and send and receive is turned on as well. If that still doesn't work, then you need to verify your date and time. For that, you need to go with your settings homepage and then you need to tap on general. Once you tap on general, you need to scroll down and then go with date and time and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. If that doesn't work, then go back to your general section. Under general, you need to go with background app refresh and make sure that your background app refresh is turned on. If your notifications are still not working, then you need to reset all of your settings. For that, you need to go back to your general section. Under general, scroll down a bit, go with transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, which will be in the bottom, and tap on reset all settings. After resetting, it will solve your FaceTime and iMessage notification problem. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.